Ikaw, sir, ikaw yung unang nagsabi ng I love you.
Si Jessie yan.
Si Jessie or si Carmela? Jessie. Jessie is wrong. De joke lang, Jessie. Kayo, makareact talaga. Diba? Shock na sana yung parents eh. Okay, next. Who is more likely to forget something? Sino daw makakalimutin? Yes. Eto na una, si ma'am.
Siyempre, Carmela.
Carmela. Carmela is correct. Ayan. Woo! Next question. Eto, sino daw ang pinakamatagal mag-prepare bago umalis? Yes, mommy.
Jessie.
What's your name? Sorry, what's your name, ma'am? What is your name? Narcy, Ma'am Narcy. Sino po ang pinakamatagal na mag-prepare bago umalis?
Jessie.
Jessie is wrong.